Summer is here, and while the heat can be intense, it's actually the perfect time to grow some amazing vegetables. If you choose the right crops, your garden can thrive even under the blazing sun. Today, we're counting down the 10 best vegetables to plant during summer. Number 1, okra. Okra loves the heat. The hotter it gets, the better it grows. It's low maintenance and produces continuously once it starts. Number 2, eggplant. Eggplant thrives in warm weather and gives you a steady harvest. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and consistent watering. Number 3, tomatoes. A summer favorite. Tomatoes grow fast in warm conditions. Choose heat-tolerant varieties for best results. Number 4, chili peppers. From mild to super spicy, chili peppers love summer heat. They're perfect for adding flavor and a little kick to your meals. Number 5, sweet potatoes. These are perfect for summer planting. They spread well and grow underground, making them resilient to hot weather. Number 6, cucumbers. Cucumbers grow quickly in warm temperatures. Give them space to climb or spread, and they'll reward you with fresh, crunchy fruits. Number 7, squash. Squash plants grow fast and produce heavily during summer. Just keep an eye out for pests. Number 8, string beans. Also known as green beans, these grow quickly and are perfect for continuous harvesting throughout the season. Number 9, Malabar spinach. Unlike regular spinach, this variety thrives in heat. It's a great leafy green option for hot climates. Number 10, amaranth or red spinach. This heat-loving leafy vegetable grows fast and is packed with nutrients perfect for summer gardens. Planting the right vegetables during summer can turn even the hottest days into a productive gardening season. Just remember water regularly, use mulch to retain moisture, and provide some shade when needed. So, which of these vegetables are you planting this summer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more organic farming tips.
Thank you for watching Cock-a-doodle-doo.